Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ba't parang ang taba ko? Namamaga yung mukha ko. Punong-puno na ng tubig dito sa Switzerland. So, nasa, ano na naman tayo? Antayo ng train. Magta-tram tayo. Papuntang Zurich HB. Kasi pupunta kami ng Interlaken. So, kailangan namin mag-tram. Tapos, from there, sasakay na lang kami ng bus. Kasi kumuha lang kami ng tour. Get your guide na lang kami. Para balikan lang din. Kasi dito mga kami sa Zurich nagstay. So, yan lang. See you later.
Sea River, and for the hikers on board who love to explore the city, you could follow that ditch and it will also lead you to the lake in a peaceful environment. Just okay, follow the water. There is nice trees and no traffic noise. Very, very nice way of there. So many hiking trails. You will see that. I will draw your attention to these yellow panels when we see them.
So,
Now we are here stuck between two lower buildings, right and left hand side. That used to be the stables for our military horse.
A few moments later.
The name of the lakes, how deep are they, or what's the color, what's I guess for that one, is it a natural lake or is it a artificial one?
Natural.
Who dares? Artificial or natural? Right hand side, Lake of Lungern. I can't hear anybody.
Natural. Question mark.
Natural? No, I'm afraid it's not natural. It is an artificial one, you see?
Seriously?
Even an artificial lake can be as beautiful. Freshly caught perch, that is a very nice firm flesh. Then you have trout, whitefish, very tasty white, sweet fish, sweet water fish. Also here, Lake of Lungen, you have seen some people fishing. There's also nice little fisher boats here on the side.
This is
A typical
artificial made
Swiss
lake.
mountain
Seriously.
village. I thought that's really nice that you get to
Napakaganda.
see also. Start rinsing, yeah, as we had it before with a hole and with sawdust to cover. That is in front of the falls. So.
Gulat ako. May maingay pa rin. Yung mukha ko dito super focus. Ayan, bili kaya ako relo. Luisa. Yes, oh my God. This is it. Ganda ng weather. Pero malamig. But the weather is so nice. Yeah, yun siya. So, pupunta tayo sa may falls. Grabe. Grabe, look. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh. So nice. Ang ganda. Ang ganda lang talaga ng weather plus the view. Oh dear. Yan.
Kung malakat-lakat ka mo lang din sa Switzerland, it's
Why not?
fine.
Why not?
Okay lang gid ya.
It's not the sad life. You know? So, ano pa? May helicopter ka pa doon. Ano pa eh? So, ito guys. Ayun o. May mga bulaklak. So, dito, every morning.
It's sad life.
Dumadalaw yung mga kaanak ng mga namatay. So, mabulaklak talaga siya actually. Ganda nga. Tapitan natin. Ganyan siya oh. Yan. Tapos yung taas na. Ganyan. Ligid. Oh my God. Ayan siya oh. Oh, diba? Yan po ang kanilang libingan. Sa totoo lang. Kanilang libingan. Yan naman yung apple tree guys. Wala nang dahon. Lapitan natin. Ayan o. And the fools, of course. Dami naman mga tao.